Hey guys, Allie here with Aviation Oil Outlet, and today I want to talk to you about our latest payment option, PayPal Credit. There are a lot of advantages to using PayPal Credit. For instance, it provides more payment flexibility. With PayPal Credit, you can buy your products now and pay for them over time in monthly installments. Purchases over $99 will receive no interest if paid in full within 6 months. Along with flexibility, this payment method adds simplicity by allowing you to manage all of your accounts in one place. By simply logging on to PayPal.com, you can keep track of all your PayPal transactions at any time. If you don't already have a PayPal account, it's easy to sign up for one. With PayPal Credit, the checkout process just got that much easier and faster. There's no credit card numbers required, no account numbers to enter. Simply get in, place your order, and get out. If you are approved for PayPal Credit, you start off with a minimum credit line of at least $250. Additionally, eligible purchases are backed by PayPal Purchase Protection. If you have any questions about PayPal Credit and eligibility requirements, it's advised to review the terms and limitations. So now that we've covered the advantages, let's talk about how to place an order. In order to use PayPal Credit as your payment option, simply follow these 3 easy steps. First, add the products you wish to purchase to your cart. Next, check out with PayPal by choosing PayPal Credit as your payment option. If you aren't already signed into your PayPal account, you will get a pop-up prompting you to sign in. If you don't already have an account, select the Create Account option to quickly sign up for one. Finally, you're going to hit Continue to apply for credit approval. Upon approval, your order will be placed and on its way. Currently, PayPal Credit is only available to U.S. customers. I'm Allie, and thanks for flying with AviationOilOutlet.com.